Are you a career coach or personal development content creator with tons of resources, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your coaching sessions, goal-setting tools, and growth resources into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours, without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional career coaching app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. We prompted Stitch to generate a clean, professional design for a career and personal development app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a coaching resource library, and a featured section for goal trackers, skill-building lessons, and progress insights. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, refined typography, adjusted layouts, and applied a bold, motivating color palette that inspires focus and productivity. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to transform those screens into real, working app functionality. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from onboarding to tracking goals and completing lessons. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a polished, professional presence on users' devices. Now it's time to bring the design to life inside Bravo Studio. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just copy, paste, and go. You can preview your app immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your coaching videos and growth exercises, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's Web View tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube/Vimeo content, so your users can learn and grow directly inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kinde, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only authenticated or paying users can access your premium coaching content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved goals, progress tracking, and learning history, without writing a single line of back-end code. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kinde billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, premium coaching programs, or unlockable personal development tracks. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional career, coaching, and personal development app with no code, ready to grow your brand, support your clients, and help you scale your expertise. Whether you're a career coach, business mentor, or personal development content creator, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to bring your coaching to mobile. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.